Hey guys, it's Gaming Celebi here, and there's another storm going on. But I'm not in Texas anymore. I moved out of Texas, but I'm not in my new house right now. I'm over at my dad's house in Kansas. And if you didn't know, my new house is in Missouri. Okay. So it was the stormy. I decided to record it. Nothing really much to say, not that big of a storm, really. It was a little worse earlier. Oh. Okay, the wind started kicking up for a second. You know, they happened to do a tornado siren test earlier today. Huh. Did it just start kicking up? Maybe. No, this light here blinked for a second. Oh. It definitely sounds like it's getting harder. Definitely. There's some good footage right there. There's not really much to record, so I think I'm just gonna end this here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this small little letter video. This is Gaming Selby signing out. Bye.